The Advin Health Care Diagnostic Coronary Angiography procedure enables accurate visualization of coronary arteries to assess blockages and guide clinical decision-making. The Advin Health Care diagnostic catheter is designed to provide precise and reliable access during diagnostic angiography procedures. It offers excellent torque control and smooth navigation, enabling accurate placement within vascular anatomy. Manufactured from medical-grade materials, it ensures consistent contrast delivery, clear imaging, and dependable clinical performance trusted by healthcare professionals worldwide. Introducing the Advin Health Care AngioKit, a complete and procedure-ready solution designed to support safe, efficient, and accurate diagnostic coronary and peripheral angiography procedures. This comprehensive kit brings together essential components required for smooth vascular access, controlled contrast delivery, and reliable pressure management. The Advin Health Care AngioKit is engineered to streamline workflow in catheterization laboratories while ensuring consistent clinical performance. Each component is manufactured using high-quality medical-grade materials and meets international safety and performance standards. A key component of the kit is the diagnostic catheter, which provides excellent torque control and smooth navigation for accurate vessel selection. Its optimized lumen supports consistent contrast delivery, enabling clear visualization of vascular anatomy. The kit includes a guidewire that offers an ideal balance of flexibility and support, allowing safe navigation through vascular pathways and stable catheter placement. This ensures procedural control and minimizes access-related complications. The Angio-Y connector with hemostatic valve allows smooth guide wire and catheter manipulation while minimizing blood loss. Its transparent design enables clear visualization of contrast flow and pressure control during the procedure. Also included is high-pressure tubing, designed to safely withstand contrast injection pressures while maintaining consistent flow. Secure, leak-proof connectors support accurate imaging and procedural efficiency. Designed for compatibility with standard angiography systems and accessories, the Advin Health Care AngioKit reduces setup time, improves workflow efficiency, and enhances clinician confidence. Each component works seamlessly together to support accurate diagnosis and patient safety. Primarily intended for single-use application, the kit ensures sterility and minimizes the risk of cross-contamination. Each unit undergoes strict quality inspection to ensure dependable performance in every procedure. Trusted by cardiologists and interventional specialists worldwide, the Advin Health Care AngioKit reflects our commitment to precision, safety, and reliable diagnostic outcomes in angiography procedures.